Every beginner on YouTube is asking the same question: what kind of videos can I create to get views? What kind of video can I create to go viral? But the truth is, not all video ideas work, especially in 2025 where the competition is really high, like never before. But the good news is there are proven video ideas that still work even if you are just starting out or you're starting from zero. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you step-by-step beginner-friendly ideas that can blow up your channel in no time. So stick with me to the end of this video because I'm going to be revealing to you one video idea that has the potential to blow up your channel very fast. Before I show you the idea, let me show you why choosing the right video idea is very important. YouTube is very competitive, but it also rewards idea. If you just upload any random video, like maybe a dog running in your backyard or a 10-minute round video with no purpose or structure, let me be honest with you, the only people that might see this video are your friends that you're probably going to share it with. But if you upload videos that are scalable, searchable, and relatable, YouTube is going to help you push it to more audience. So don't think of video ideas as just content. Think of it as for your channel's growth. Alright, let's dive into the video ideas. I'm going to break them down into categories so that you can choose anyone that matches your style. First one is how-to tutorials. Tutorial videos are evergreen content that never goes out of style because people are always coming on YouTube to search for how to do something, how to cook, how to edit video, how to create YouTube channel in 2025, how to do this, how to do that. This channel never really goes out of instinct. So you can consider doing this even if you are in any niche. If you are in videography niche, photography, YouTube tips and tricks, cooking, any niche, you can just give a tutorial video of how you do your thing. Number 2 is list video. People love list video because it promises them quick value. Examples are 7 ways to lose weight in 5 days, 5 free AI tools for 2025, or 5 free video editing tools for content creators, or 3 mistakes I wish I knew. Those kind of list video, because people will just be like, oh, since they're breaking it down into list, they're just going to give me the value right away. Number 3 is reaction and commentary. Reacting to trendy videos right now is a huge market demand. For example, reacting to trendy TikTok videos, commenting on trendy topic on your niche, or even reviewing gadgets, application, movie trailers, anything like that. A lot of people want to see the review of a particular product they want to get or they want to buy before buying it. And if you react to product video, you're even going to get partnership deal faster than people that are not on that niche. It is simple to do. Just find a trendy topic, edit it, and give your personality touch. Number 4 on my list is challenge and experiment. These are fun, relatable, and shareable. Examples are living on $10 budget every day. I started waking up by 5 a.m. and this was what happened. I tried losing weight by walking on the streets for 10 minutes every day. This was what happened. People love challenges. Challenges makes people curious, and curiosity equals click. Number 5 is short. In 2025, short is still one of the fastest ways to grow your channel. Examples are 3 tips in 30 seconds or 5 tips in 30 seconds, reaction videos, comedy skits, or even how-to tutorials in less than 1 minute. Even if you're camera shy, you can actually do this by doing voiceovers or even writing text on screen. Number 6 is personal stories. This builds connection because people don't just subscribe to content, they subscribe to you. That's why you see different creators creating the same thing and they have different followers, even if they started up the same time, because they connect to you and not just your content. Examples are why I started my YouTube channel in 2025, 3 mistakes I wish I had known before getting to 30s, what I learned after failing 10 videos. Things like that. Just bring out your story. Before you run off and start filming, let me warn you of mistakes I made when I first started out. Number one, I made the mistakes of creating random videos without audience in mind. The other mistake I also made was copying big content creators without adding my own twist. You know that kind of thing when you are not being real, you just want to copy and paste. I made that mistake and this affected me. And also, this last mistake I made delayed me for a long time. Waiting for the perfect job before starting out. I wanted to have everything at my back before starting out a YouTube channel. Instead of just starting my phone, my dear, start with what you have. Don't wait to have the perfect lighting, perfect phone, iPhone 13, iPhone, what's it called now, 16. No, start with what you have right now, because what really matters is not the perfection of your content, but clarity and consistency. Perfection takes time. The more you go, the more you become perfect. But when you have clarity and when you are consistent, that's the day on YouTube. Here's the number one video idea that changed everything for me. It is answering questions that people are already searching for on YouTube. And how do you go about this? Go to your YouTube search bar, type a topic and your keyword, and allow YouTube to give you the auto suggest. This auto suggest are exactly what people are searching for on YouTube, and creating stories around this will give you a quick boost. For example, type YouTube Shorts and see YouTube Short monetization 2025 pop-ups. Create a video around that. The idea is, if you create a video around that, it will give YouTube the signal that you are creating content that people want to watch, and YouTube will help you push it to a larger audience. Here you have it, the best beginner video ideas in 2025 that can actually get you views. So over to you. Which video idea are you going to actually start at first? Drop your answer on the comment section. I'm actually going to respond to all of your answers, or if you have questions, drop them on the comment section. I'm actually going to answer to all of your comments. So guys, that's it. I hope you got value from this video. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not subscribed. So then, until next time, bye.